Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to maths class. Today we are going to start chapter number 18, money. In this chapter, new words we are going to see rupees, the basic unit of currency in India, and paisa, the smallest unit of currency in India. Rupee 1 is equal to 100 paisa. So let's see first money. We need money to buy things. In India, we use rupees and paisa for buying things. These are the currencies of India. We use rupees for denoting rupees and P for denoting paisa. So you know that money is a very important thing. अगर money नहीं है तो हम कुछ खरीद नहीं सकते. So in India, we use rupees and paisa to buy the things. And rupees is denoted by this and the P for denoting paisa. So 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equal to rupees 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So total rupees 5. Then here 2 rupees and 1 rupee, that is equal to rupees 5. 5 plus 5 10. Like this way. These are the coins and these are the notes. So let's see here practice zone 1. Write the following amount of money. So just you have to count it. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Then 5 plus 5, 10 plus 10, 20. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 20, 50. 50, 70 plus 10, 80. So like this way, just you have to add, simply add and write, but you have to add here rupees. So let's see next one. Conversion of money. Rupees into paisa. To convert rupees into paisa, multiply the number of rupees by 100. In other words, simply put 2 zeros after the number of rupees. So simple thing, what is there? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa, and just you have to zero after the rupees. For example, here rupees 15 is there. So you have to convert in paisa. So what you have to add? Add 2 zeros after the rupees. So it will become paisa. So let's see here one example. Rupees 3 and 45 paisa. So rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa. Rupees 3 is equal to 3 into 100, that is equal to 300 paisa. Rupees 3 and 45 paisa is equal to 300 plus 45. 345 paisa. So here practice zone 2. Convert the given amount of money into paisa. So rupees 12. So what is the simple thing to convert? That is equal to 12. Add 2 zeros. 39, 2 zeros. And after that you have to add P because we have converted rupees into paisa. Okay. How you are going to add this? First you have to convert this rupees into paisa and then you have to add here. Okay. So for example, 17 rupees is equal to 1700 paisa plus this 95 paise. So the answer will be sorry, 1795 paise. Okay. So you have to convert it like this. Now addition of money. To add money, we add paisa to paisa and rupees to rupees. So simply add rupees 2 and 25 paisa to rupees 7 and 50 paisa. So rupees and paisa. So what you are going to do? You are going to first arrange like this and then you have to add. So how you are going to add? Paisa with paise and rupees with rupees. So you have to add the column. First paise column and then rupees column. First add the paisa and then add the rupees column. So the answer is 2 rupees 25 paisa plus 7 rupees 50 paisa is equal to 9 rupees 75 paisa. So let practice zone 3. Add the following rupees and paisa. So first we are going to add this paise column. So 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 0 9, 5 plus 5 10. Then 5 plus 2 7, 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 3 9 and 2. 7 plus 2 9, 3 plus 1 4, 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 0 4, 3 plus 1 4. Four plus 3 7, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 4 8, 2 plus 2 4. 11 14 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, 8 plus 2 10, 17 Okay, like this way you have to just add. Simply addition is there, nothing else. So let's solve now subtraction. You can pause and complete. Same subtraction is there, but the thing is there only when you are going to borrow. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So when you are going to borrow, this 1 rupee will become here 100 paisa. And simple subtraction. So let's see. Practice zone 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 2 4. 9 minus 0 9. 5 minus 5 0. 8 minus 4 4. 5 minus 2 3. 9 minus 8 1. 7 minus 4 3. 6 minus 5 1. 4 minus 1 3. 3 2 8 minus 5 6 minus 3 8 minus 7 Now 64 is there and here 79 is there. So we can't subtract 79 from 64. So what you are going to do? We have to buy 1 from here. So this will become 164 and this is going to become 920, 981. Now same 59 and 69. Here also we are going to borrow from here, so this will become 159 and this is going to become 177. Now subtract 159 from 69. So like this way you have to subtract. Same subtraction is there as we do usual. Just for borrowing, what you have to do, you have to borrow, and when you are going to borrow from rupees, it will become 100 paisa in the column. So you can pause and complete it. Now what problem is there? So for practice zone there is no place, so we are going to solve in your workbook. So just I'll explain you one. Anjali bought a book for rupees 16 and 50 paisa, a notebook for rupees 8 and 15 paisa, and a packet of pencil for rupees 7 and 25 paisa. How much did she spend in all? So cost of the book, cost of the notebook, cost of the pencil. So all these three things, first you have to make the column rupees and paisa, write rupees in the rupees column, paisa in the paisa column, and then add it. So first add paisa column and write the amount here, and then add the rupees column and write here. So she spent rupees 31 and 90 paisa in all. One more example. Amar had rupees 88 and 50 paisa. He purchased a water bottle for rupees 45 and 50 paisa. How much money is Amar left with? So the money Amar had rupees 88 and 50 paisa, cost of the water bottle, and the money left with him. So what you are going to do? You are going to subtract paisa into paisa and rupees with the rupees. So like this way we have completed chapter number 18, money. Hope you have understood. Thank you.